Hello, I'm Cookie. Let's draw a cute corgi puppy. First, let's mark its eyes on the paper. Draw the right eye. Draw the small triangular nose. Smiling mouth. And the sticking tongue. This is a cute expression. Next, we find the top of the puppy's head. Draw a red line. First of all, this is a corgi puppy. Its ears are relatively large, so the point of our ear should be set a little higher. Draw a line from this point to this point. Draw 3 small hairs here. Draw the face of the puppy. There are still some small hairs on both sides that are not shown, so it is not a smooth line. Draw the left side first. Draw the dog scarf. Next, draw the fur on the dog's chest. Thick fur. The dog's front paws are slightly bent outwards. It will look cuter. Next, let's finish it. The puppy's back is also long hair. When we draw the puppy's thighs, the hair becomes shorter, so we need to draw some smooth lines. Connect the belly. We still have a little tail to draw. The little tail is curled at the back. Draw the polka dot decoration on the scarf. You can also design other patterns. Draw some dynamic lines. It feels like this puppy is moving. Add some decoration to the puppy's face.